This heavy-duty 14 Aruban fluorens power cord features one NEMA 5-15P connector at one end and IEC320 C15 connector at the other end. It's commonly used for larger server applications that require a higher rated and heavier gauge with C14 or C16 inlet to a PDU or AC wall outlet. Cablelera North American Power Cord. NEMA 5-15P to IEC 320 C15. Ideal for high temperature and high power connections to power distribution units and servers. IEC 320 C15 connector can work with both C14 and C16 inlets. Heavy-duty 14 Aruban fluorens power cord is fully molded for durability. Product specifications. Connector 1. NEMA 5-15P. Connector 2. IEC 320 C15. Jacket type. SJT. Total length. 10 ft. Wire gauge. 14 Aruban fluorens. Amp rating. 15A. Voltage rating. 125 volts. Certification. UL/COL, Rose Reach. Top reviews from the United States. Cisco is a jerk. I agree with S. Mahoney. Cisco has moved to these cables on most of their hardware. Why? Cable is fine. Works as a power cable should. Don't get gouged. Be cool like me and my homie S. Mahoney.